morning, class! Today, we will be learning about biodiversity. First, what is biodiversity? Anyone?
Biodiversity is when many different organisms share the same habitat or ecosystem, all contributing to the growth and stability of their ecosystem.
That's right. So, why is biodiversity important?
Biodiversity is important because it can maintain genetic diversity and functioning ecosystems which can supply oxygen, clean air, water, pollination, pest control, and wastewater treatment.
That's correct. Anything else?
It maintains the food chain and makes it easier to recover from natural disasters. Sustaining the balance of the ecosystem means species can more easily adapt to changing surroundings and different habitats. All organisms are a contribution to biodiversity.
Now, give me some examples of biodiversity.
Pandas are mostly found in southwest China and contribute to their ecosystem by spreading seed and plant matter collected on their fur.
Lemurs disperse seeds and help maintain healthy and diverse forests.
Marigolds attract beneficial insects and keep pests away from other plants, and these insects also help pollinate.
Flamingos cause small organisms in shallow bodies of water to rise up in the water, which helps with mixing organic material and the production of oxygen.
What about biodiversity in Macau?
Mangroves are native to Macau and help with cleaning the water naturally, which expels the need to use money on cleaning up.
They also reduce the severity of floods, which can save people money from fixing buildings and roads, while also reducing health risks.
While biodiversity is very important to our ecosystems, there are several threats that endanger this healthy variety of species.
Invasive species are species that aren't native to the ecosystem they're in. These species cause harm to the environment and its native species. Invasive species of animals or plants can be harmful because it can take up the resources and space of native living things, which leads to the loss of that area's biodiversity. An example of an invasive species are European rabbits in Australia. The rabbits breed in masses, meaning they would need much of the food sources which are scarce in Australia, and especially its deserts. They had destroyed millions of dollars worth of crops. This would lead to less food for the local wildlife, and the rabbits will overpopulate, damaging its biodiversity by a lot. In addition, the usage of land and water can lead to the loss of essential resources that biodiversity depends on. Overexploitation can also take away important resources such as land, vegetation, minerals, and food, which the ecosystems rely on to sustain itself. Moreover, pollution and climate change both harm ecosystems and threaten biodiversity. The rising temperatures may cause a series of issues, such as habitat loss in polar regions, the sea level rising, and causing more floods, which may also lead to soil erosion in the repeatedly flooded regions. Rising sea levels may also cause drastic weather changes, which may change the outcome of plants, which the animals rely on for food.
How can we help?
We can help biodiversity by protecting natural ecosystems. For example, when you're outdoors, stick to walking on the path so you don't step on other species. We can also help save bees, since they help pollinate plants and allow plants to reproduce. Planting local flowers and vegetables also helps support the ecosystem, since these plants are native to your area and will help maintain biodiversity. Using less water and electricity or reusing and recycling also help biodiversity because you're wasting less resources.
Wow, it looks like biodiversity is very important.
Yeah, you're right. Let's do our best to protect it by respecting nature and wasting less resources.